Something enormous, older than our sun, is racing toward our solar system right now. Astronomers have given it the name Three-Eye Atlas, and it's unlike anything we've ever encountered before. Bigger than the infamous Oumuamua, stranger than any comet we've tracked, and carrying with it the secrets of deep time, this interstellar traveler is rewriting everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe. Back in 2017, the world was captivated by Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar object ever detected. It darted through our solar system so quickly that astronomers could barely study it. Its shape was bizarre, its motion unexplained, and its origin a mystery. Some argued it was a comet, others swore it was an asteroid. A few even wondered if it was an alien probe, gliding silently past Earth. But before answers could be found, it vanished into the void. Then, in 2019, another guest arrived, Borisov. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov was clearly a comet, venting gas and dust as it approached the sun. It gave us our first undeniable look at interstellar ice, proving that other planetary systems make comets just like ours. But still, questions lingered. How many more are out there? Would we ever see another? And now, just a few years later, the answer has arrived. Three-Eye Atlas. Discovered by the Atlas telescope system in Chile, this object was immediately flagged as unusual. Its speed was extraordinary, its orbit hyperbolic. Nothing bound to the sun could move the way this one does. It's a visitor, an ancient messenger passing through. What makes Three-Eye Atlas remarkable isn't just its path, but its story. Astronomers believe it may contain material older than the solar system itself. Imagine that. While Earth was still a cloud of dust circling a newborn star, this object was already ancient, carrying the chemistry of forgotten stars. It's not just a comet, it's a relic, a time capsule from another corner of the galaxy. Early observations suggest it's larger and brighter than Oumuamua. But classification isn't easy. It doesn't perfectly fit the category of a comet or asteroid. Some images reveal activity, a fuzzy coma and faint tail. Others suggest a more solid, rocky body. The truth is, we don't fully know what it is. And that mystery is part of the allure. Think about what this means. Every interstellar object is like a piece of another solar system delivered right to us. Within its dust and ice are chemical signatures from worlds we'll never visit, suns we'll never see. Each one holds clues about how planets form, how solar systems evolve, and maybe even how life begins. Studying these travelers is like holding the history of the galaxy in your hands. Yet there's frustration too. Just like its predecessors, Three Atlas is here for a short time. Its speed, nearly 220,000 kilometers per hour, means it won't stay long. We can only watch from afar. Our telescopes capture what they can, but the details blur as it streaks past. Imagine the discoveries we could make if we had the technology to send a spacecraft, to chase it down, to study its surface directly. Missions like these are being dreamed of, designed on paper, waiting for the day when funding, technology, and timing align. One day, humanity may finally catch one of these cosmic wanderers. For now, though, we're left with glimpses. Telescopes on Earth and in orbit have already captured Three-Eye Atlas, glowing in vivid colors, its coma spreading like a cosmic rainbow. Its light carries secrets about its makeup: water ice, carbon compounds, maybe even organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Each spectrum, each measurement, brings us closer to understanding not just this object, but the galaxy itself. And here's the staggering thought. This is only the third interstellar object we've ever found. Statistically, that means there must be countless more. They pass through silently, unnoticed, too faint or too far for our current instruments. But as telescopes become more powerful, we'll see them, dozens, maybe hundreds, each carrying a story from a distant system. Some will be icy wanderers like Borisov, others dark and rocky like Oumuamua. And maybe some will be things we've never seen before: world fragments, planetary shards, or objects that defy classification entirely. Consider the sheer scale. Our galaxy is a vast ocean, and these objects are messages in bottles, drifting across space for billions of years. Most will never encounter a star, let alone pass so close to a planet with intelligent life watching the skies. The fact that we've seen even three in such a short time suggests the universe is more dynamic and more connected than we ever imagined. And there's another possibility. If natural fragments can find their way to us, what about artificial ones? What if one day, among the comets and asteroids, something arrives that isn't just rock and ice, something built, something sent. Three Eye Atlas is almost certainly natural, but its visit reminds us to stay open to the possibility that the universe holds surprises we're not yet ready to explain. So, as Three Eye Atlas sweeps through our solar system, take a moment to reflect. This isn't just an astronomical event, it's a reminder of perspective. We are small, fragile beings living on a blue dot, yet the universe sends us gifts, ancient travelers carrying whispers from faraway stars. They arrive without warning, stay briefly, and vanish into the dark. But in that fleeting encounter, they expand our imagination, challenge our science, and remind us that the cosmos is alive with wonders we've only begun to notice. Three Eye Atlas is older than Earth, larger than Oumuamua, and more mysterious than Borisov. It is, in every sense, a messenger from the stars. And when it leaves, humanity will be left with one haunting, thrilling question: what's coming next? Because somewhere out there, in the silence between the stars, other travelers are already on their way. And when they arrive, we'll once again face the unknown with wonder, curiosity, and the unshakable belief that the universe still holds secrets waiting to be discovered. And here's something to consider. What kind of home did Three Eye Atlas come from? Was it born in the frozen outskirts of a star system much like ours, flung into space by a passing giant planet? Or did it come from a completely alien kind of system? Maybe a star with different chemistry, different conditions, worlds we can only dream about? Every bit of dust and ice inside this traveler is a sample of that forgotten home, preserved across eons. And then there's the journey itself. To reach us, Three Atlas may have drifted for billions of years in complete silence. No sunlight, no warmth, just endless darkness between the stars. It may have brushed past other suns, been altered by supernova blasts, or sailed through dense clouds of cosmic gas. Imagine the stories it could tell if we could read every scratch, every scar, every frozen layer on its surface. This is why astronomers are so eager. Objects like this are not just rocks in space, they're storytellers. They remind us that the universe is not static. It moves, it trades, it shares. Our solar system isn't isolated. It's part of a larger galactic dance. And once in a while, we're lucky enough to witness it. So as Three Eye Atlas races past, we should look at it not with fear, but with gratitude. Because it's showing us something profound, that the galaxy is alive, that ancient relics can still find their way to our doorstep, and that we're only at the very beginning of understanding our cosmic neighborhood. And when it's gone, when its light fades from our telescopes, the memory will stay. The questions will remain. And somewhere, another interstellar traveler will already be on its way, quiet, patient, and carrying with it the next chapter of the universe's story.